Hello students, in this video we are studying about 11th standard computer science chapter 1 topic input devices. There are 7 input devices you are already studied in previous videos. Now you are studying 8 to 13 input devices. Okay, first one, optical character reader. It is a device which detects character printed or written on a paper with OCR. A user can scan the page from a book. The computer will recognize the character in the page as letter and punctuation mark and stores. The scanned document can be edited using a word processor. This is a optical character reader using scan the books. Scan a page from a book. Okay. Next, it recognizes the character, the page as letters, punctuation marks, anyone. Okay. The scanned document can be edited. This one scan the book. Then anyone edited using a word processor. Okay. Next one, barcode or QR code reader. Did you know barcode reader? Yes. A barcode is a pattern printed in line of different thickness. The barcode reader scan the information on the barcode, transmit to the computer for further processing. The system gives fast and error-free entry of information into the computer. Another one, QR, quick response code. The QR code is the two-dimensional barcode which can be read by a camera and proceed to interrupt the image. This is the barcode reader. It is scan the product and it is scan that's lines, two-dimensional lines, thickness lines. Then this product information given to the computer. Okay, so this is the barcode reader. Next one, voice input system. Microphone serves as a voice input devices which capture the voice data and send it to the computer. Using the microphone along with the speech recognition software can offer a completely new approach to input from into the computer. Voice input systems. Okay. This is the voice input system. Mostly this one is using a BBO office. Okay. Next, digital camera. It captures images, videos directly in the digital form. It uses a CCD electronic chip. When light falls on the chip through the lens, it convert light rays into digital form. It captures the images, then given to the computer. The images, videos, anyone given to the computer. So digital camera is a input device. Let us see here. This is the digital camera. Next, another one input device, touch screen. A touch screen is a display device that allows the user to interact with the computer by using the finger. It can be quite useful for an alternative to a mouse or keyboard for navigating a graphical user interface. It alternative to keyboard and a mouse. Okay, using only fingers. So this is known as touch screen. Touch screen are used in wide variety of devices such as computer, laptops, monitor, smartphone, tablet, cash register, and information kiosk. Did you know touch screen in mostly of devices used? ATM machines, smartphones, monitors, laptops, tablets are using touch screen. Okay, so some touch screen are a grid of infrared becomes to sense the presence of a finger instead of utilizing touch sensitive input. So touch screen is another input device. Last one input device is a keyer. A keyer is a device for signaling by hand. Keyer is a device for signaling by hand by way of pressing one or more switches. Modern keyer have a large number of switches but no as a full-size keyboard. Typically, this number is between 4 and 50. A keyer differs from a keyboard, which has no board but the keys are arranged in cluster. The keyer is not a keyboard. Okay, keyer is different. Keyboard is another. Keyboard has a board, but keyer cannot have board. Only cluster switches only uses. Let us see here. This is the keyer. Okay, so these are the input devices. Study very well.